On this week's show, what just happened to Bitcoin, the Bitcoin prediction for the week, my trading results, and the project valuation. Let's do this. So hi and welcome to episode 13 of my trading and investment journey. This week has been a tad hot in the burrow for this Womble, and none of my DIY tasks that I promised myself I would do ever really materialised. And believe me, Mrs. Womble has a long old list for me to do. So last week I talked about a dead cat bounce with Bitcoin price, and that area is still showing on my chart as here be dragons. This is the area, in my opinion, to avoid going long into, but it does look like a fantastic shorting opportunity if and when the price ever reaches here. Also in last week's show, I mentioned it would take a few more iterations of price swings from high to low before we got to that point. So on Friday the price continued its descent and broke the SMA support. That's the white line on the chart. This was a little unfortunate for me, as I had a long trade waiting on that line. Price then dived massively down to the lower support level at 20,800. Now my position on this price and a Bitcoin chart in general hasn't changed since last week. And that support at 20,000, which is the green bar near the bottom of the screen, needs to hold, or the price will fall to the next support at 19,200. And if that support doesn't hold, then I think we have some real problems on our hands. But looking at the chart, we can see that this is the third time this level has been tested. I've shown the previous two with the little red circles, and we have already seen 2 days of recovery as I record this on the Sunday. I also placed another long trade here at around 21,200 with an optimistic take profit of 25,100. Why not, right? But I've also set some other targets to close this long position at 22,400, 23,200 and 24,000. Ideally for me, a sell of 24,000 would be great for the trading fund, but I'm happy to get out at 22,400 if it looks like the price will rebound back down. Of course, that's all assuming that the support level holds and the price continues to bounce back up. So what did this mean for my fund? Well, the results are a little bit misleading, mainly because I've taken £1,000 worth of fiat and bought crypto with it. So the trading fund, for example, shows it's up 16.77%, but I didn't really do any trading. This is reflective of the fact that I've added more value to that fund. So the value has increased even though I've made no trades. But I am in a long position right now, and I hope to make real profits in the coming week. Crypto total is showing an ROI of 3.18%. But again, this is due to the extra funds being put into the project. Stocks and shares are down minus 4.7, which is a true representation of the fund, and the total value is down minus 4.7%. This has fallen from 15,101 last week to 14,269. So let's have a look at that in more detail. On Coinbase, we have Ethereum, which is valued at £2,838. Our Bitcoin is valued at 2,336.76. Ethereum 2 is staking at 373. Interestingly, here I had a mail from Coinbase saying they're going to be adding the staking value onto the total ETH, which has happened. It's gone up very slightly. And there's no DAI. What happened to DAI? Well, we sold it for Graph. So our Graph is now at 30.26. That gives the total balance of 5,576. Our Kudos has fallen to $58.64. And our Binance staking is currently worth $85.43. That's not moving very much at the moment, but that's fine. Having a quick look at eToro and our stocks and shares, the S&P is in profit by $42. Silver, again, it's fallen back again. It's down $30. Tesla is at $26.16 in the negative, and Amazon is at $58 in profit. We've also got a new holding called Lumen Technologies, and I'm just having a play with this. It's a dividend fund, and I bought about $20 worth. I might be pushing the investment levels higher into that as we go forward. So in total, we have $4.28 cash available for investing, which isn't going to do anything. $2,510 has been invested, and we're at $45 in profit, which is down from last week. Looking at that from an ROI perspective, we can see that we've dropped below the £15,000 magic break-even barrier, and we are down minus 4.7%. But that's nothing to worry about, and we will continue to hold those investments in Bitcoin, ETH, and our stocks and shares while we trade on Bybit. Okay, so that's it from me for this week. And as I always say, onward and upward.